Asuntoskeittiö Talinkorventie 3 Suikkila, Turku, staircase B. Yeah. I actually checked all buildings here in Suikkila and I didn't manage to get in other buildings, unfortunately. In 1966 it's 31782. These are the oldest theaters in Suikkila I have filmed or found also. It was 3 person 240 kilograms. I also found several old shelters behind locked doors, but I didn't manage to get inside. Here I can film also staircase A, ground floor. I don't need to go to Suikkila tomorrow, but I can film in some other areas probably. 8th floor. Inspected by Kiva Inspectant, maintained by Schindler. So all the others here are maintained by Schindler and Fortal. Yeah, this was maintained by Turun Hissikeeskus before, but or it was part Schindler, but I think it was company in 90s or here. That's